안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 데이브 선생님입니다. Today, another competition, a chance for one lucky person to win a copy of my book, 영국 아재 데이브의 매일 영어 교습서. The first person to put in the private comments the answers to the quiz questions will receive a copy of my book. Music and movies. What is the name of the 1982 Pink Floyd movie about a depressed rock star? Do you need a hint? Sting's song, Shape of My Heart, was the OST for which 1994 movie? What is the name of the 1968 animated Beatles movie? Do you need a hint? Which British band performed the song A View to a Kill for the James Bond movie called A View to a Kill? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Shut up and sit down.